Hello everyone, so I am here with you all again. So today I am going to discuss that obviously regarding energy efficiency of the pressure cooker. So here you can see that there are two pressure cookers. One is made of stainless steel and another is made of aluminum. So stainless steel is of Hawkins company and aluminum is of in Kolkata's local company, but it's ISI marked. You can see that it's a very good company, low budget, good company, very old company. So both are 1.5 liter. So I am here to show that which cooker heats faster, stainless steel pressure cooker or aluminum pressure cooker. Both are with same capacity, and I have added 1 cup of normal water to taste this, and I am using the small burner of this gas stove, so that there should be no such bias. Okay, so 1.5 liter cooker, both are 1.5 liter cooker. One is stainless steel, one is aluminum, and 1 cup of liquid are poured here, same amount of liquid. And so now check that, want to check that which cooker gives the whistle first. So this is the check that which cooker is energy efficient more, stainless steel cooker or aluminum cooker. All of you know that stainless steel cookers are hygienic, better hygienic than aluminum cooker. But if the aluminum cooker is of good company, then you can use that, because aluminum cookers are the very old cooker which has been used for last 60 years. So you can use that, but preferably stainless steel. But stainless steel, as the stainless steel is not very good conductor of heat, so I am going to test this whether aluminum cooks faster or stainless steel cooks faster. So let's come. So I am using this small burner, the first aluminum cooker. Okay, so now I have switched on the gas and waiting for the cooker to give the first whistle and counting the time also. So now the cooker is going to give the first whistle. So I am switching off the gas, the first whistle came. So it took 2 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, so it took 2 minutes 15 seconds to give the first whistle by the stainless steel pressure cooker. Now I am coming to the aluminum pressure cooker. So now I have switched on the gas and placed the aluminum pressure cooker. So let's see that when it whistles, how many time it takes to give the first whistle. Okay, so now the cooker is going to give the first whistle. Okay, so I am switching off the gas as the first whistle came. So it took also 2 minutes 15 seconds. So it is evident from this experiment that both the aluminum and stainless steel cooker with the same capacity and with the same volume of the liquid and with the same energy sources, they can cook efficiently. Energy wise, both are efficient. So if you want to buy, if you are health conscious, then you can buy stainless steel pressure cooker, because though the stainless steel is not so much heat conductor, good in heat conductor, but it has some aluminum disc at its base. So for the reason heat conductivity increases, so that reason it cooks faster, just like aluminum pressure cooker, which is very good conductor of the aluminum, is a very good conductor of the heat. So from this experiment it is evident that both stainless steel and aluminum pressure cooker are good for the gas top cooking, and both are energy efficient also. So I will come with another video in the next time. So please keep tuned, and please share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is very much essential for the growth of my channel. So thank you once again. Thank you all. Thank you.